Hey guys, how's it going? So I got a 4-piece soapstone marker set. Now this is kind of an overlooked part of welding. Actually, you can use it other than welding. But this is like a mechanical pencil. As it wears away, you can keep putting more out. That's good. This is really nice because you can put it in your pocket. It's protected, so it won't break as easy. So you carry it in your pocket and you use it. When it wears out, you pull out more. Very simple. This is a cap to keep the soapstone from coming out, and it's also to keep dirt from getting in. So you can use this until it uses up, then they give you a spare. Same thing here, they give you a spare. Here's an example of what I would use this for. This is a railroad rail that I made flat. Use it as an anvil. I used this to tell if it was flat. I would put the marks on there, and I would take a great big bastard file, go across this. I would take the soapstone and mark it. Then I would take the file and file it flat. And as I did it, I could see the high points. So I would grind until all of that was gone. Then I'd mark it again and do it again. And eventually I marked it, and every stroke took it all the way off. So that meant it was flat. Nice way to do it. But you can also mark darker. So it's kind of like chalk, only a little bit more permanent. So it works really well. And I like the options. I can carry both of these in my pocket, but I think that this round one works better in my pocket. Part number 64070. And you could probably use this for crafts also, although I haven't. It will mark on about anything. Okay, so soapstone, another tool that you have around to make your life easier. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.